Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Ads account to HubSpot. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to track your ad performance directly within HubSpot, giving you better insights into how your campaigns are driving leads and conversions. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After you're logged in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. From here, look to the left navigation menu and locate the Tools option. Click on it to access the various management features available within Google Ads. When you click on Tools, the menu will expand, revealing several categories and options. From this expanded menu, look for the Data Manager option and click on it. The Data Manager is where you'll find all the tools and integrations that help you connect external platforms and manage your data flow more effectively. Once you're in the Data Manager section, you'll see a list of all the third-party software available to integrate with your Google Ads account. This is where Google provides various partner integrations to streamline your marketing efforts. Scroll down through the options until you reach the Featured Products section. Under Featured Products, look for HubSpot and click on it. This will open up the integration options specifically for HubSpot. A right side window will appear, presenting you with 3 different ways to integrate HubSpot with your Google Ads account. You can choose from a direct connection, a partner integration, or a third-party integration through Zapier. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple and use the direct connection option. Click on the radio button next to Direct Connection and you'll notice an Authorize button appears. Go ahead and click on that Authorize button to proceed with the connection process. After clicking Authorize, a login window will pop up. This is where HubSpot verifies your identity and confirms that you have the proper permissions to connect the 2 platforms. All you have to do here is sign in with your HubSpot account credentials. Enter your email and password, then log in. Once you're logged in, HubSpot will present you with a connection request outlining what data will be shared between the 2 platforms. Review the details and when you're ready, accept the connection request. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Google Ads account to HubSpot, allowing you to track and analyze your advertising performance directly within your HubSpot dashboard. This integration will help you better understand your customer journey and optimize your marketing efforts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.